Approaching the mini roundabout, so I am going to turn right at the mini roundabout. So check center mirror, right mirror, signal right. No car on my right side, so I'll continue with the turn. There's road work going on, so I'll reduce my speed. And I'll pick up my speed again, back to 30 miles an hour. Speed limit is changed to 20 miles an hour and approaching a mini roundabout. I am going straight ahead at the mini roundabout. No car on my right side, so I'll continue with it. Speed limit is 30 miles an hour again. Just quick correction, guys. This turning that I just did at the roundabout, I mentioned I'm going straight ahead. Quick correction is the right turning at the roundabout. I did signal as well, but I forgot to say right turning. I just said left, straight ahead instead. So apologies for that. Approaching the double mini roundabouts. First roundabout I'm going straight, second mini roundabout I'm turning left. So first check center mirror, left mirror, signal left. Car on my right side. Now clear, continue. And then this roundabout turning left. 20 miles speed limit still continues. At the end of the road, I am going to turn left. As you can see on the road, there's a clear marking which lane you need to be in. So check center mirror, left mirror, signal left, into the left lane. Position the car towards left. Right side is clear, so I continue with the turn. speed limit is changed to 40 miles, so pick up my speed limit nice and steady. There's no cars behind me, so I don't need to rush. Just pick up, but make sure you keep picking up speed limit. Don't drive slow though. Even if there's no cars behind you, you have to keep up with the speed limit. Like I said before, on the Bradley roundabout, the speed limit sign has changed. So now you can see the speed limit is changed to 30 miles before I even reach the roundabout. So check center mirror, right mirror, signal right, move into the right lane. Check the right side is clear, continue with the turn. When I approach the second exit, check center mirror, left mirror, signal left. Take the exit.